Hi, I'm Georgina from BBC Learning English. In today's lesson, we look at the difference between unless and as long as. Unless and as long as can be used to replace if in different situations. Let's have a look at some example sentences. I will go to the party if you come too. I will go to the party as long as you come too. Both of these sentences have the same meaning. Notice that the verb after if and as long as is positive. Now look at these sentences. If you don't do your homework, you can't watch the film. Unless you do your homework, you can't watch the film. Both of these sentences have the same meaning, but notice that the verb after if is negative and the verb after unless is positive. Bye!